Okay, so today we'll be talking about reporting a bit. So I've created my identities. I've got Bob and me. And as you can see on the screen, this is the live device usage. It will show you real time which user, which identity is using what. Obviously, the moment you scroll away from the screen and you go back to it, it refreshes. Then you get your daily usage report. This is very helpful to show you what users have done. So let's take me, for example. I've already used 1.9 gigs and I have 4 alerts. If you click on me, you can see between which times I used this, how much I used, and which sites or links I visited. And you can also click, for instance, let's say on Microsoft Cloud, it will show you exactly what times I accessed that. And this is important if you have a user maybe watching YouTube or he's on Instagram and you want to check what times he interacted with those applications. You can just click there. But back to me. So go to IP flows. This is important just to see what kind of traffic I generated. If it had maybe peer-to-peer or Tor traffic, it knows something up. Maybe your user's downloading something they shouldn't. And then I've got 4 alerts, so potentially bad traffic. So basically, if you have an identity that you assign to a MAC address, you get a very broad overview of what the user is doing, and you can really drill down deep into a user's usage, and you can really see if they're actually working or not doing what they're supposed to do. If you go to the top website report, you can pull it for either these predefined or custom range. So let's do for today. Just gives you a pretty good breakdown, data used, how much. If you click on, for instance, let's say lab, you'll find a date and then which device used that data. This will also just help you in basically building an idea of what's going on in your network, what kind of traffic is flowing through it. It's very important to know these things. Top users report, let's put it for today, should probably be me, there we go. So also shows you users using less, using more, and what's the deal. And then if you had an OpenVPN session, obviously it would have been there. So these reports are very useful. Let's say you have a CEO or a manager who phones you and says their network's being slow, or suspects that maybe Auntie Jane isn't doing whatever she's supposed to do. You can go down into these reports, you can track the user if you've set your identities up correctly, and you can monitor it. Very, very useful.